So today I'm going to show you how to enable ReCaptcha, which is the checkbox that you will have on a form to prevent some of the spam that is going on. So first you want to go to Settings under Forms for Gravity Forms. And there's a section here called ReCaptcha. And we need a site key and a secret key to enable the checkbox. So we click on this link that says Get Your ReCaptcha. It's going to put you into a Google account if you already have one logged in. I have mine logged in. So we're going to enable the ReCaptcha. We'll just call it ReCaptcha for BF. And then we are wanting to do version 2, which is I am not a robot checkbox. And then what we need to do is add the domain here. So we're going to grab this domain, come back to ReCaptcha, and we're going to put it in there. It's actually going to ask you for a project name. I'm just going to call it ReCaptcha. It will put it into a random organization that you have on Google Cloud because you have. If not, if you're not logged into Google Cloud already, it may ask you to create that. Just walk through the prompts and it will create it for you. So since we are here and I need to hit enter there to lock it in. So make sure to hit enter. And this is the temporary URL that's being used for them right now where we are building this website. And so if you also have a live domain where it's going to go live, you'll need to enter that here. I'm going to grab that later since it has not been registered yet. You can come back to this and add it at any time. Once we have all this information in, make sure to choose I'm not a robot checkbox. Hit submit. And now it will give you the site keys that you copy over. So I'm going to go back here. That's the site key. Now we're going to go grab the secret key, copy that. Paste it in here. We're going to do the checkbox, and then it's going to need you to check it. Then you hit save. Once this is enabled, then you will be able to go to the form and go to edit. Then you'll be able to go to the advanced field, and you'll see this CAPTCHA box that you can drag anywhere, but people are typically used to it being at the end. So we're going to hit save form. Once that form is updated, you can go back to the front end, go to the scheduling page or whatever page your form is on, and now you will see the I'm not a robot checkbox. Now I do want to show you what it would look like if you didn't register it right, or if it was not registered. So I'm just going to grab this key out of there, save the settings, and then if we go back to the front end and come back. So if you don't have the site key in there or anything, then it will show this box, or it will not show the box and just be blank, or it may say the site key is misconfigured, the domain isn't in there properly. For example, if we launched this website and did not have the domain entered on the settings, then you would see a misconfiguration on the box and not be able to check it. So we'll make sure that those are entered in properly. So once you've validated the keys, then your form should be functioning 100%, just like this with the checkbox. If for some reason there was an issue with the checkbox, this form would not be able to be submitted because the ReCaptcha was a field on the form, which would be an issue for your website. So that is how you integrate Google ReCaptcha onto a form to decrease the amount of spam that you are getting.